training hard, eating clean, and your body looks the same. Flat, soft, low energy. Your metabolism is asleep. Here's how to wake it up. 5 hacks that actually build muscle and burn fat. For men. Let's go. Modern men have the metabolism of sedentary women. That's not an insult, that's the data. You sit 12 hours a day. You eat like a bird trying to cut. You do cardio like you're training for a marathon. Your body thinks you're starving, so it holds on to fat, burns muscle for energy, tanks your testosterone. You become weaker, softer, and more tired, even though you're doing everything right. Here's what's actually happening. Low protein, no resistance training stimulus, 0 daily movement, random meal timing. Your body has no reason to build muscle or burn fat, so it doesn't. But you can fix this. Not with more cardio, not with eating less, with strategic habits that tell your body, build muscle, burn fat, we're strong here. First hack, high protein at every single meal. Not some protein, not protein sometimes. High protein every meal. 30 to 40 grams minimum every time you eat. Why? Because protein is the only macronutrient that builds muscle. Carbs give you energy. Fats regulate hormones. If you're not eating enough protein, you're wasting your training, period. Your body needs amino acids to repair and build muscle after you lift. No protein, no muscle, just wasted effort in the gym. But here's what most guys miss. High protein also keeps your metabolism high while you're losing fat. When you cut calories without enough protein, your body burns muscle for energy. You get smaller and weaker, skinny fat. High protein, your body preserves muscle and burns fat instead. You get leaner and keep your strength. Plus, protein has the highest thermic effect. Your body burns 25 to 30% of protein calories just digesting it. That's free fat loss. Aim for 1 gram per pound of body weight, minimum. 180 pounds, 180 grams of protein daily, split across 4 to 5 meals. That's how you build muscle and keep your metabolism high. Second hack, lift heavy weights, not light weights for high reps, not body weight circuits, heavy compound lifts. Squat, deadlift, press, pull-ups, rows. Multi-joint movements with progressive overload. Why does this matter for metabolism? Because muscle is metabolically expensive. It costs your body energy just to maintain it. The more muscle you have, the more calories you burn doing nothing, even while you sleep. But here's the key. You can't build significant muscle with light weights and cardio. You need to stress your body, force adaptation, make it build more muscle to handle the load. That means lifting heavy. 3 to 5 sets of 5 to 10 reps. Add weight every week, progressive overload. This creates a metabolic demand. Your body has to build muscle to survive the training stimulus. And that muscle? It burns calories 24/7. Plus, heavy lifting spikes testosterone and growth hormone, the hormones that build muscle and burn fat. Vikings didn't do Zumba. They lifted heavy things, carried loads, built strength. You don't need a fancy program. Just get stronger on the basics. Squat more, deadlift more, press more. Your metabolism will follow. Third hack, walk more, sit less. Move throughout the day. Not cardio, not workouts, just movement. Walking, standing, taking stairs, staying active. Here's the truth about metabolism. Your training is maybe 1 hour. That's 4% of your day. What you do the other 23 hours matters more. If you sit for 12 hours straight, your metabolism shuts down. Your body goes into conservation mode. It burns fewer calories, stores more fat. But if you walk 8,000 to 10,000 steps, your body stays active all day, burns hundreds of extra calories without trying. This is called NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis. 2 guys, same training, same diet. One sits all day, one walks 10,000 steps. The walker burns 300 to 500 more calories daily just from moving. That's 2,000 to 3,500 calories per week, almost a pound of fat just from walking. Get a standing desk, walk during phone calls, park further away, take stairs. Small changes, big impact. Warriors walked, they hunted, they moved constantly.
They didn't sit in chairs for 12 hours. Your body wasn't built to be sedentary. Move more. Your metabolism will thank you.
Fourth hack, cold exposure. Cold showers, ice baths, cold plunges. Your body has two types of fat. White fat, that's what you want to lose, and brown fat. That's what burns calories to keep you warm. When you expose yourself to cold, your body activates brown fat. It starts burning white fat to generate heat. Your metabolism spikes, not just while you're cold, for hours after. Plus, cold exposure improves recovery, reduces inflammation, boosts testosterone. You don't need to freeze yourself. Start simple. End your shower with 30 seconds of cold water. That's it. Work up to 2 to 3 minutes over time. Or take a cold plunge once or twice a week, water around 50 to 60 degrees. Your body adapts, gets better at burning fat for heat. Metabolism stays elevated. Warriors dealt with cold. They didn't avoid discomfort. They used it. Cold isn't your enemy. It's a tool. Fifth hack, stop snacking. Eat bigger meals less often. Most guys eat 6 small meals thinking it boosts metabolism. It doesn't. That's a myth. What it does do is keep your insulin elevated all day, and high insulin blocks fat burning. Instead, eat 2 to 3 bigger meals. Fast between them. This gives your insulin time to drop. Your body switches to burning fat for fuel. Plus, bigger meals feel satisfying. You're not constantly hungry. You're not obsessing over food. Breakfast at 8 a.m., lunch at 1 p.m., dinner at 7 p.m., nothing in between. This creates natural fasting windows, 5 to 6 hours between meals. Your body burns fat during those gaps. And here's the bonus. When you're not eating all day, you have more mental clarity, more focus, more energy. Your body isn't constantly digesting food. It can focus on other things. Warriors didn't snack. They ate when food was available, then they moved on. You don't need protein bars every 2 hours. Eat real meals, then fast until the next one. 5 hacks. Start today. Subscribe for weekly advice. Now go build. Skull.